back up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn. Do you like my hair? Do you like my hair?
Yeah.
Ari did it.
Oh, yeah.
Ari, you did a beautiful job of my hair.
Wow. Like dirty towel? Like dirty towel? I know. I had a lot of something wet in the back, like wet clothes in my trunk, and I'm smelling it, and I mean it was like, what are they, wet for a week in my trunk? And then I find just the plastic to a bag of ice, and I go to Willie. Do you know anything about a bag of ice that was in my trunk? And he goes, oh yeah, I forgot about that bag of ice. I bought it at the store the other day. I'm like, yeah. It's like just from the beach.
Ow!
Ew. That's funny. All right, well, good luck. Yeah, well.